What's up, guys? It's Mike Frank coming to you again to talk to you a little bit about the VA home loan and how we use it here in Maryland. There's a lot of people that have this misconceived notion that VA home loans are harder or maybe less objectively ideal for a seller, and thus it makes it more difficult for a buyer to purchase in our market. And there's a couple things that you should know, especially locally. We find, maybe we can argue that we're an area specialist at VA home loans, but what we find is that sellers are willing to accept that VA home loan because it is so prevalent and it's very commonplace here with as many military installations and Department of Defense jobs and government contracting jobs that do bring a lot of military members this way. So we find that stigma doesn't impact our clients. But also, it might be a little bit more challenging for a home buyer to take advantage of these programs because they just don't know the rules. And what's important for you is that you understand that you're working with a real estate agent that has a good understanding of the rules and a lending team that has the knowledge of how to manufacture the transaction that benefits the seller. Because truthfully, when we're talking about utilizing a VA home loan, ultimately the biggest thing that matters is that we can get to fruition. That's the only thing the seller cares about. But when we're working with a local lender that can speak to their expertise, when you're working with a local agent with the knowledge of the market and can speak to the expertise on utilizing the VA home loan, it's not going to be a challenge. It's not a concern for us. It creates absolutely no change from our point of view. And quite frankly, there's a lot of benefits to using the VA home loan. So what I want to encourage you guys to do, if you're not already, make sure you follow us on Instagram. There's going to be a lot of information there. And go to our website, read about the blog so you can read a little bit more about this topic and so many others to give you that affirmation that you're choosing the right agent. If ever you need anything, feel free to reach out. I look forward to chatting with you guys real soon. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. For more information on the housing market, Real Estate 101, how you can leverage your position in today's market, and so much more, click on the link below. If you like this video or have a burning real estate question you'd like us to answer, leave us a comment and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode, and we'll see you again real soon.